Welcome to Study Loop.
In this problem, let distance moved is equal to x. So from the given data, I can write the value of E is equal to IL by 0.8 square plus which is equal to IC by zero point 0.2 square. So the value of IL by IC is equal to 16. Now after the wrapping of the paper round, I can write the expression as 49 by 100 multiplication IL by zero point 0.8 plus x whole square is equal to IC by zero point 0.2 square. So either the value of x is equal to minus 0.24 or the value of x is equal to minus 1.36. This is not possible because it is more than zero point 0.8. So it is not possible. So finally I can write the value of x is equal to 0.24 meter. Note the negative sign indicates the distance to be decreased. So or in centimeter you can write it as 24 centimeter. So both are the answers.